Regarding the
I,
topic last week, we chose already, right? For the climate change.
Yeah, okay. Your voice is not so clear.
Right. Can you hear me now?
Can.
Hello. Is it my
Can.
signal? My voice is breaking out or what?
no, your voice is
It's
getting low when you're talking.
Getting kind of problem is this?
Now can lah. Now can hear.
Okay, now can hear, no problem. Okay.
Uh,
Regarding the topic last week, we chose already, right? About the climate change. That will be our topic.
mm.
we haven't
Then
fixed the topic.
what?
Yeah, it's true.
No, actually we choose the topic on natural disaster, right? But what kind of natural disaster we haven't
Right?
choose that yet.
Choose on climate change, right?
You said you will decide that later.
No, we decided already last week, Vijay.
Yeah,
But
like this, like
yeah,
we decide already, but the main topic like the ayat is belum cipta
the
lagi.
like the keyword is climate change.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, Yagish.
Okay.
Before that, please
I
say about
forgot that part.
the
I forgot that part.
yeah, yeah.
You
You
explain.
need like you are the leader. You are the leader.
Okay.
You need to.
Okay. Regarding that, about our task, we divide ourselves lah. Okay. Based on that, I forgot already what to say. Hmm. What was it about? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Regarding the Vijay, talk. I don't
No.
know.
Okay, like this lah. For example, we have one main leader, which is Yagesh. We are the group members, right? So every week we get the task. Every week there's a specific task for the weeks. So like this, for every week we need to represent one person to become a weekly leader like that. For conduct the weekly task. For example, week one they asked to create a blog and then do profile of teams. Okay, so as a team member, I become a that first week leader, and then I succeed the task lah for the first week. Okay, the second week is last week punya. Okay, last week I asked Kishan to be a leader to listen what task we need to do, and then what we need to upload in the blog at the same time in the teams too. So the upcoming weeks, I we want to fix a person lah to become a weekly leader to make sure the task is complete on the specific week. So I want not fix one person only lah on this stuff. Why God? Okay. I don't want one person only conduct this one task only. I need everyone take turn and become a weekly leader. So for now, me Kishan done ready. So I already explained this about last week to Yagesh, but that time we already done our meeting. But now also we done our class ready, right? So I wish Kishan just continue your weekly task leader until this week, can Kishan?
Yeah, can. Sure.
Okay, until this week. So next week, please another person take the leadership of that weekly task. So the purpose we make the weekly leader because we make sure what the weekly task is and then what task we need to upload and everything. So the weekly leader should apa ya? Oh Yagi help lah.
Should be responsible for that week's task lah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like last week was the task is to decide, make sure to decide the topic, and then we discuss, and then we choose the topic. So for this week, the task will be about uh what is that? About deciding the points like that.
Yeah.
for
So
next
the
week there will be a person, another person will be arranging all the meetings, and then they will decide what to speak. And then our others will just join the meeting, and then we will discuss. That's all.
okay. One more thing about the weekly leader is like, for example, this week we need to find out the isi semua kan. Okay. Lepas kita dah find out, kita dah kumpulkan. So the weekly leader need to kumpul all the isi in one PDF file or in one Word file and then give to me. So later I upload in the blog lah. So that's the purpose of we make the weekly leader. So as a leader, Yagesh will monitor everything. Who are doing work, who are did not doing the work, the weekly leader is conducting correctly or not. Semua faham?
Faham.
Baik. Lagi seorang. Tak ada response. Please respond because this is the recording one.
Tak apa, cakap dalam bahasa Melayu pun tak apa juga. Kita boleh kan. Okay.
Kita 5 orang je, tak ada masalah pun.
Okay, apa open with apa kok this name. Okay, wait a second. Rushaidi, dengar ke tak? Rushaidi. Hello.
Oh yes, dengar.
Dengar. Okay.
Okay, baik. So this week, Kishan is the weekly leader. So Kishan, describe lah what need to do and what the task and everything.
Kishan, can you see the screen?
Need to zoom in. Okay. Okay, this week it says planning and group coordination. So, we need to know what our topic is first of all, and then about the points all, you can leave the word put in a word file and please insert that in the comment. So later I will, after finish the meeting or tomorrow or maybe before this week, I will sum the
Kishan, your voice is breaking.
hello.
Come again.
Better
Faham tak
before
tadi apa saya
Friday
cakap?
or Saturday lah.
Okay, tak apa. I think regarding the word, kalau tak boleh insert dalam word pun, kita ada group 8, kita ada notes kan. Kat section notes tu kalau nak boleh tulis lah. Can you hear me?
Betul. Poinnya itu.
Yeah. Okay, sekarang first task for today, our keyword adalah climate change. So, kita ada 5 orang kan? 5 suggest satu sentence untuk climate change sebagai topik kita. Simple as that. Kalau boleh, cuba type kat chat box. We don't have all day.
I think let they think and then put in the notes because it's direct.
Tak apalah.
I rasa
We discuss lah. Okay.
we need to
Regarding
discuss
climate
about the
change.
isi semua juga.
Isi juga.
Ha,
I think
kena
because you know why I'm saying this, because like according to this arrangement, week 3 planning and group coordination. Last week we planned already, we done the group coordination already. Most of the problem we done already for week 3.
okay.
Week 8 is identify problem and problem analysis. So for
Yeah.
now, it's like we are ahead. We already a bit ahead of the weekly planning. So it's
Yeah.
like, so now today's task will be simple. Decide the topic and then we will divide reason 1 and reason 2, reason 3 regarding that. That's all. Simple task for today.
Okay.
What if we put our topic with climate change and global warming?
Come again?
Hello. If we name our topic like climate change and global warming.
Climate change is already about including global warming, right? Any others, please
Like
suggest. Global warming, greenhouse issue.
Maybe like the impact of climate change to everyone's daily life or daily activities, something like that.
Impact of climate change.
To everyone's daily activities.
Okay, to Rushaidi, any idea?
Not yet. Tak ada idea lagi.
Okay, tahu. Vijay.
Wait, I get one topic but I forgot it. What I think?
Should be a global or local issue. Impact on-
if not put climate change only, that's enough I think.
Okay, but if we just put climate change only, our EC will be like general. So there will be like, how to say, we have to talk about the impact, we have to talk about the how prevention step, we have to talk about the factors that causes climate change. But if we narrow it down like impact of climate change, then we just our following information will be just about the impact. Will make our tasks a bit easier. That's my opinion lah. Or how about the impact of climate change and the ways to overcome it? Impact of climate change. What is the implication of this? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Can.
Okay,
Okay.
like this one, the river pollution, the impact and the long-term solution. How about climate change, the impact and long-term solution? Kishan?
Boleh je.
I need to think. Boleh anything can.
Okay, let's not waste time on this. Okay, Kishan, next task.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. I think that's all for today. You just need. No, seriously, that's all for today. You guys need to find the points and leave it in the group. notes or in a word or something. Okay, that's all I think.
Okay, wait. Long term. Okay, Vijay, there will be a topic in the chat box. You can update it in our website. Okay. So what should we do for after this is that it's like justify about this the number 4. Justify the issue and topic. Why you choose this issue or topic. Okay. I got 3 reasons. Why it is important to know and give solution to the community and society. What is the implication if this issue never solved? Provide statistical data and credible report to support the issue. Okay, all three of us, I think for this week, no need to do reason 2 and reason 3. Only reason 1 is enough because it's like reason 3 is like there'll be a lots of information we need to write, and then for reason 2 is also like that. So every one of us just write in the notebook in the Microsoft team reason 1, each on one of yours is reason about why it is important to know and give solution to the community and society. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yagish,
Clear,
there
clear.
should be 4 reasons.
What?
Hello,
Yes. What were you saying?
hello.
Yes,
Supposed
Kishan.
to be 4 reasons, right?
Supposed to be 4 reasons. Then why mine got only 3 reasons? Kishan, share yours.
No, I
If got 4 reasons. Vijay.
no. Kishan want to share or what?
You share
Anyone,
Vijay.
anyone can share. I will stop sharing.
Who are going to sharing?
Okay. You're using mobile phone or laptop?
Mobile lah.
Mobile, I don't know.
Kishan.
Kishan share.
Wait. Let me just
Yeah.
do it.
Okay.
I took from the WhatsApp also. Why the hell? It's different.
Oh,
Yes.
hello. Can see
Yeah.
or not?
Nope. Black screen.
Can.
Huh? Can? How can I? Why am I not able to see that? Online
It's
boleh tengok
alright,
ke?
Vijay. You can
What?
for one. This is the one you sent it in the group, right? The 4 reason with the
Yeah.
contour one.
Then why I cannot see? Oh, okay, now I can see. Data statistik, apakah kebaikan manfaat jika isu ini diselesaikan segera? Why it is important? Okay, simple, the same as that. For this week, we solve reason 1 first. why it is important to know and then give solution to the community and society. It's like basically it's like a introduction about our topic. Why is it important for us to talk about climate change right now? Okay, because like reason 2 and reason 3, I think we can gabung together and we can search it on next week like that. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Vignesh,
Yes, yes.
Rushaidi.
The tajuk dia climate change, the impact and long term.
Ya, itu yang
Okay,
better.
okay.
Deadline untuk ni nak bila? Next week, sebelum meeting next week ke macam mana?
Kishan, is that we need to upload the
Ah.
topic only or with the isi semua?
Sorry, what? Hello?
Is that we need to upload the topic only in the blog or with the point?
You upload the topic first. The point later we can manage it.
I
Okay.
think the point will be on week 4
Okay.
or 5 something.
Yeah,
The
it's
topic,
like
no, the website is like we have to update what we did on week 3, right?
yeah.
So like today, like we discuss about the topic we are planning about, and then we also agihan kerja untuk siapa nak buat apa, like that.
No, the problem is like kita sekarang buat apa ya, live semua kan, ada record semua. Ini adalah satu backup je. Kalau nak prove kan, okay, semua ada buat kerja macam ni semua. Tapi masa lecturer nak check apa kerja yang kita buat untuk specific week, for example week 2, week 3, week 4 kan, dia akan check dalam website je. For example week 2 dia bagi task is tajuk, select on tajuk. So on week 2 we need to upload the tajuk in the blog. So later he check on the blog, kita ada bagi improvement ke tak dalam blog tu.
Okay.
So from that he decide lah whether we are working or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
It's mean we every week we need to update anything in the blog. We should.
okay. So for this week, what do you want to update?
Like topic and then main isi je atau sedikit penerangan pun cukup. The
Okay, that
introduction.
means next week Sunday, is it okay? Deadline for our topic. So you can
Next week
upload on
Sunday.
Better this week Saturday,
Yeah.
before Saturday night lah, because Sunday I need to read all the point and edit and give it to Vijay before
okay,
Saturday night.
like that. Friday night, because if Saturday night, Monday is the class, right?
Sunday Sunday we still got time.
Oh yeah, Sunday we still got time. Okay, Saturday. Okay, before Saturday night lah. Is it okay?
Yeah, before Saturday night.
Yeah.
Can. So
Can.
only the
Yes.
first reason or second and
Only
third?
the first reason for this week.
Okay.
For next week, the leader will be who want to participate between Vignesh and Rushaidi. Siapa nak ambil tugasan untuk next week?
I'll do.
Like
Okay. So for week 4 it will be Vignesh, and for week 5 it will be Rushaidi, and untuk week 6 I'll be back. And then kita akan kasih rotate. Okay, that's all for
okay.
now.
Lagi satu. Kalau nak bagi gambar ke atau video pun atau link untuk YouTube video pun boleh juga. Later easy to edit in the blog lah.
Macam dia apa like what was the Vijay, like end of every single report, what was it the name I forgot. Rujukan sebagai rujukan something. Reference. Yeah, reference. Okay. Another thing is that all the points, make sure that you write in Microsoft Teams. Everything you do in Microsoft Teams, because it will be a
Evidence
it
for
will
the
be a
lecturer
evidence.
lah.
Yeah. Okay, that's all. And then don't worry, I will create a section. Kishan will create a section for in the note. Okay, right, Kishan.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Sampai tak semua we like a normal conversation discussion deh. Semua boleh bagi. Okay.
Bye, leader.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great night. Good night.
Bye.
Nice. Enjoy.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Okay, bye.